The vehicle I've got in front of me is an Iveco campervan from Marca. As you can see, it's got the word Premier written on it. It can be in 4x4, first edition adventure, daily camper, and this thing here is going to cost 60,000 euros. And let's have a look at it. So Iveco is not often used for campervans. It is used for motorhomes from time to time, but usually of a more upmarket variety. There's a noise coming out of it right now, which I think is the heating system, or in this case it's probably the air conditioning unit. Right, so in here, 2 burners, small sink. At the back it's got this layout with suppose it's meant to be a one-person bunk above and seating around the table for 2 at the back, or maybe 4 at the back, who knows. Right, well, I'll come round the back to have a look at that. Got quite nice lighting, I suppose. Here's a fridge, 2-way fridge in it, and oh, this, sorry, a drawer. Let's have a look in here. Well, the Spartan looking shower room. You'll come in. You can see me. It's not too bad. I'll close the door. Yeah, that's alright. Look, it's got quite a lot of space here. Mind you, I do have the toilet behind me as well. But yeah, it's alright. I wouldn't complain at that. And the door makes a nice squeak, so you know it's open. 2 drain holes at either side, and they're proper large ones as well. That is good. Alright, 2 seats here with no storage used under them, or little. That is bad. And let's come out the back. Right, Marca van, daily Hymatic. Okay, well, the bed will go up and down, obviously. At least I think it's supposed to be going up and down. Hard to say. Obviously, it's a prototype. So I suppose when they finish it, the bed will be electronic and go up to the top. Let's have a look in here. Storage under there. As far as I can tell, heating is likely to be gas. Well, write your opinion below, what you think. What comes with, you've got roof lights, you've got the awning, and well, it's unusual to be on Iveco. Thanks for watching, and all the best from Düsseldorf.